welcome to Tech Moves channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you through how to claim your daily cipher for 16th June 2024. So without wasting my time, let's get started. First of all, you click on N per tab three times. You click on it three times. So one, two, three. It has opened. You have about 21 hours for it to expire. And after we have spelled or cracked the word, we're going to achieve 1 million hamster coins. So the first word for today is N, and that's dash dot. Have N, and then the second word is F, that's dot dot dash dot. We have it, and the last word is T, that's dot dash rather. Yeah, so our NFT has been taken successfully. Yes, I've detected it. So we claim it. We claim our 1 million hamster coins. Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. We have claimed it. Please do and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I'll continuously post such videos in order for you to be able to do your own. See you in my next video. Bye for now.